Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about dictionary items with types. What types of generally items are present or accepted by the dictionary object? Inside dictionary object, there is a means inside the Python there is a different type: string type, int type, and joke, and that's a called a numeric type. Okay, float type, int type on inside the numeric type, string type also, character type and string type. Most of the common the string type in inside the Python there is a character is also counted as a string. Now here separate character type is not present. Okay, then complex type. Okay, boolean type. These are the types. So here I am going to show you one example where all the types are present. Likewise, suppose I will take an as a here brand. Okay, like Ford. Okay, then electricity, electric. Then there is a boolean. Okay, means that is a false. Okay, then there is a color, price. Okay, price comes out 12K. Then colors. Okay, red, green, blue. Okay, fine, understand. And print D1. Okay, the false is gender belongs to the string. Okay, that is a string. And here you can say that no. Okay, false. Understand how it is going to be written? Every type it can be accepted. Okay, if you want to return the type, what is the type of the object? That object is belongs to the dictionary, and it returns the type of that object, that is a dictionary, DICT. Okay, so every type it can be accepted, like a list, tuple, set. In a dictionary also it is accepted. Here is string type, integer type. Okay, and there is a array type also, boolean type also, int type also, string type also. Everything can be accepted. Okay, here I am going to do some modifications. Okay, what modifications? Here I will apply the false. Okay, that's a boolean type. Then here I am going to change it dollar and add it with 12. Okay, that's it. But it can't accept it because here if I am using this, then see, it accepted, it not accepted. Okay, if you give in this way it can be accepted, but in this case if I am going for the like year, okay, I am using year, then it is very helpful for you, because first of all the brand, then brand, after brand there is a electric or not, their year and the color which are going to be launched. When you are going to run it, it shows you dictionary and it having string, boolean, integer with array. Okay, list of data types, list data types, it can be helpful. This is the list. Okay, list here we also present. So in this way, we are declare the list object with different types, and how you can add different types in a different items of a dictionary. Okay. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please like and share this video. Click on the subscribe button when I am going to upload any future videos. click on the bell icons. You get the notifications. Thank you.